What you doing? Want a spoon? What are you going to do? What are you doing there?
I need some help.
You need some help? You want, what is this? Oh, you want peanut butter? Okay, hold on. What you doing? Is that a big enough spoonful? Is it for you? Okay, can you put the jar back on the counter, please? Nobody's going to want to eat any more than peanut butter. It's a good thing we don't share peanut butter. Don't waste any.